I'm so proud to share with you the new Galaxy Z series.
At 7.6 inches, Z Fold 3's main display delivers a tablet-like experience, the world's very first foldable with an under-display camera.
That's went to the Fold series. Both the Fold 3 and Flip 3 have an IPX8 water resistance rating.
Introducing the Galaxy Z Flip 3, a cover screen that's 4 times larger for the Z series.
Available from August 27th. We collaborated with fashion designer Tom Brown. Available in limited quantities.
2, 3, get it.
The most attractive design with the best functionality. Wear OS powered by Samsung. Seamless access to your favorite apps on Google Play.
Samsung has been working to make VIA technology more accessible.
Your activity levels to get these measures into a healthy range.
Body composition, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and ECG is easy to understand on our most intuitive user interface yet, One UI Watch. You can get your own Galaxy Watch 4 starting August 27th.
2, 3, get it.
The smallest and lightest buds we've ever made. Two-way speaker. ANC.
We're so excited about these new buds.
Ensuring you have control over your data to building a better, brighter future for the next generation. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.